In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix BeautyCam app not working. If you are experiencing any challenge with your BeautyCam app, maybe the app is not opening, or it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, then use one of these methods to fix it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, in the first method, we need to go ahead and access the app info page. To do this, go to settings and look for the app, or you can simply use a shortcut by long pressing on your app and then tap on app info, and this will take us to the app info page here. At this point, we need to go ahead and clear the app data, especially the cache data. If we go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app, and of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data here and then choose clear cache and OK, and you can see cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open the app, and this should have fixed your problem. But should you still experience any challenge, then you need to go ahead and clear all the data by tapping on clear data and choose the first option, clear all data, and then OK. For this, you'll need to go ahead and log in afresh to your account. However, if these two methods didn't fix your problem, then you need to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'll go to Play Store here and search for any update. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of BeautyCam AI photo editor app that might not be supported. Update it to the latest version to get this fixed. But should you still experience issues such as the app crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall the app and install it afresh. By doing so, this will completely remove the bugs and give you a fresh new start with a new app. So that's how you can fix any issues related to BeautyCam AI photo editor app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.